sportsmanship, work to empower girls to grow, and teach them the importance of giving back to their community. Currently, the team took first place in Washington State and proudly carries the 2009 Washington Eagles State Championship banner and the 2010 Vernon, British Columbia Winter Festival Championship banner. Each year, the team participates in an annual food drive, sending Christmas stockings to our troops in Iraq. Thank you for being here. They're led by Captain Shannon King, First Lieutenant Margene Tolmer, and Second Lieutenant Kylie Leeson.